Hi dear students, you all are very warmly welcome for this video session. Yes, this online session. Now dear student, in the previous video I have given you exercise of lesson number 2nd. I hope you have seen this video, you have liked this video. See, now here in this present video we are going to understand lesson number 3, and the name of the lesson is be a good listener. What to be? Be a good listener. Yes, if you see the title of this lesson, we understood so many things by looking this title. What do you mean by to be a good listener? Means if someone is telling you something, some talk, you have to listen this talk carefully. Yes, why? When we are listening a talk who is speaking, we are respecting to that person. Let's see what is given in the lesson. It is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language. See, it is important to be a good listener when you are learning a language or when you are dealing with other people. See, what is the first line tells? First line tells that it is very important to a good listener. Why? Because whenever we are learning a language, to learn a language, first we have to listen this language. When you are listening, the words are coming on your ears and brain is absorbing these words, and we are trying to pronounce these words by using our tongue. To learn to speak any language, we have to listen this language carefully. And what is another? And whenever you are dealing with other people, you have to listen them very carefully. Are you a good listener? You can find it out with the help of the following questions. And they have asked here one question: are you a good listener? Are you listening to others? Yes. And to check yourself, the questions are given below, and you have to find out the answer of these questions. If the answers are correct, you are a good listener. Understood? Now one point they have given: when you are listening to someone, do you look at the person or do you turn your head away or toy with something else? See, the question 1 is given here. When someone is speaking, are you listening to that person? Yes. If you are listening, are you looking to that person? Or do you turn your head somewhere else? Or do you play with the toys? Yes. What is the answer? If you are looking at this person, means you are listening. Or you are looking somewhere else, you are playing, you are doing anything, means you are not listening, you are not respecting the person, the speaker who is speaking. Yes, good listener look at the speaker. What is the answer? Good listener look at the speaker. Now second, 2. Do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Second, do you pay attention to what the speaker is saying? Good listener pay close attention to the speaker. See, when speaker is speaking, do you pay attention on the talks or do you do something? Those they are good listener, they are paying close attention to the speaker. Yes. The third one is that, do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Yes. Here, do you make any special efforts to understand the speaker? Here are some of the things that will help you understand the speaker better. And answer is given here that if you have to listen the speaker carefully, you will have something different to understand the speaker better. Yes. Now next, let's go next. See, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning from the context. See, whenever you are in the class, English teacher, maths teacher, science teacher, history teacher, geography teacher, any teacher comes to your class, try to listen what the teacher is teaching, what the teacher is speaking. And if you hear any new word from the teacher, try to find out, okay, and to guess the meaning of the new words from the context. Yes, means those unfamiliar words are no comes to you, try to find out, means why you have to find, you are increasing your vocabulary for that. Yes, now next, you can try to guess what the speaker will say next. See, now you are in front of the speaker, someone is speaking to you, try to guess what the person is going to speak next. Try to keep listening even when you feel that you do not understand the speaker, or even when you disagree with the speaker. Sometimes what happened, the speaker is speaking very fast, otherwise speaker is having another language, and you feel that you don't understand what the speaker is speaking, but even you have to still keep listening, and even you feel that you are disagree with the speaker, then also you have to keep listening. Yes, then also you have to listen to the speaker. Understood? See, wait for the speaker to finish what he is saying, and you have to wait for the speaker to finish his talk. Yes, then you can get your doubts clarified by asking polite questions. And once the speaker stop talking, you have to clarify your doubts, that what you don't understand by your listening. Yes. Now the next we can go. Do not feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. See, you do not feel shy, we don't have to feel shy or afraid to ask questions if you do not understand what is being said. When the speaker was speaking and you were not getting anything, we have to clarify our doubts. You have to ask the questions. That time you don't feel shy or afraid. Put your questions to the speaker politely, and whatever questions are there, you have to ask politely to the speaker. Yes, if you are not getting anything, will you tell, please will you say it again? Yes, will you say me this again? The polite words you have to use, please, may I, sorry, thanks, like that. Sometimes it helps to note down important words or points even as you listen. See, whenever you are listening to the speaker, all the words are not keep in your mind. We are all students, even no, our habit is that we forget the things early. So if the important talk is there, we have to note down, we have to write it somewhere else, so it will help us later on to find out what the speaker was telling. Yes, lastly, it also helps to keep thinking about what you heard. And see, you have heard something from the speaker, you have to think on this, what the speaker was telling. Now I will give you one example. If you are in standard 7 and one guest lecture is arranged for you, yes, which things will you keep with you for the guest lecture? Of course, you have to keep notebook, pen with you. Why? Which are the important points speaker will tell to you? You have to note down these points. After note downing this point, when the speaker will finish the talk, you have to understand, you have to think on the talk what you have heard. You may grasp the meaning of a difficult word or phrase later on, and if the phrase language is there, or something difficult words are there, you can try to, you can later on find out the meaning of those words. Understood? This is the lesson was given for you, and it's very much important. One talk is given here, I will explain it. Yes, if what happens if we don't understand anything. Please bring me the vase that has pink roses. It's on the dining table. One talk is given here. Yes. Vase means a bed of roses, a kind of pot, a frock, because this girl doesn't understand what is it. And what is the vase? A vase means a kind of pot. Understood? This is the talk. Now you have learned a good lesson. I hope that from now you are going to listen what the people are telling, what the teacher are telling. Thank you.